Good day, everybody. Welcome back to another edition of the RIH CryptoWealth Weekly Crypto Roundup. Um, I'm privileged to have you guys watching this video. So let's see what's on for today. So Bitcoin is back. I'm sure you guys that's following Bitcoin will see that Bitcoin is making a comeback, and a lot of analysts believe the turning point has arrived. From here on, we'll see more upwards trajectory. Then we're going to look at our first CBDC example of how it's playing out in the real world. Central bank digital currencies are alive and active, and we're going to see how China is doing it. Then Coinbase picks Ireland as the headquarters for the European expansion. Then New York sues some naughty crypto companies. So exciting stuff happening there as well. But as always, before we continue, let me just remind you, please register for the fortnightly newsletter and the weekly crypto roundup videos. Every week I come to you live where I chat with you regarding what's happening the past week, what you need to look out for, what's happening in my newsletters. I'll give you news, views, reviews, everything crypto related. So please remember to sign up for that. So Bitcoin is back, and interesting stuff happening. In the last week, it reached levels of $34,500, and it has consolidated around that level as well. So it gained over, I think, 20% in the last 7 days, which is spectacular. So it's good news for people that we want to get out of this crypto winter. I think we are like fed up of wanting the returns, hoping for the returns, but nothing materializes. So the analysts speculate why this upwards trajectory happened, and one of the things that's very much on the foreground is the whole BlackRock listing of the spot ETF. They've um, uh, put their ETF on the database of the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation the past week. Also, they've updated their filings with the SEC, which indicate a readiness to see the ETF once it goes live. And this is exciting stuff because people are just watching what's happening with BlackRock, what's happening with the SEC, and they the people, all the analysts, um, that's the main focus. That's spot ETF. They believe that's the holy grail of this upgoing trajectory. One of the analysts, financial analysts, says the following: this proactive approach from BlackRock suggests their preparedness to initiate trading promptly upon receiving approval from the SEC, further substantiating the optimistic sentiment surrounding an impending approval. The guy is Matthew Greco. He's from Phoenicia. And so, yeah, there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of expectation um, for the spot ETF. So I'm just glad Bitcoin is on the up. And, with the upwards trajectory, there also is lifting the altcoins and helping people to make some money again. Then our cryptocurrency, CBDC, central bank digital currency story of today is all about PetroChina's Digital One. So the oil and gas company PetroChina has completed their first international crude oil trade using their CBDC, the ECNY, also called renminbi. So they bought 1 million barrels of crude oil, and they settled it in the yuan and Digital One at the Shanghai Petroleum and Natural Gas Exchange. So this is one way it's going to play out. International trade, CBDCs will be used for international trade. So, and it's a foothold for the Chinese government to literally punt this currency as an international currency that needs to be and should be used. So we're going to see more and more of these strong countries wanting to punt their E or their CBDC as the way to do international trade, the likes of Japan, the likes of China, the likes of America. So all CBDCs is up and going and very, very real. So this is a good example, and I'm glad I got hold of this article. As always, speaking of which, there's links to all the articles. What I've discussed here, all the topics have links to articles. So just check in the description of the video, and you can read more about that. So also Coinbase, you remember with all the regulatory uncertainty in the States, Coinbase just said, well, cheers, I'm out of here. I'm expanding into the bigger world, to Europe, Latin America. They say they're not going to stand for this draconian laws that the US is rolling out or the behavior of regulators. So they chose Ireland because recently the MiCA bill has been published. That's the Markets in Crypto Asset Regulation that allow crypto service providers to operate across the block based on a license from one of its 27 national regulators. So if you have a license from one of these regulators, you can operate there. And that's what Coinbase has done. Because they feel Ireland has a very supportive political environment for fintech companies. And yeah, Apple and Google is already there. So they're following their footsteps because, success leaves clues. So well done for Coinbase for not standing for this draconian behavior of the US regulators. So I'm very glad for them. So look out for Coinbase. They are expanding in Europe. So that's good news. Then also naughty companies, crypto companies that's been sued by the New York Attorney General, Letitia James. She filed a lawsuit against companies like the Gemini Trust, that's the company from the Winklevoss brothers, and trading firm Genesis Global Capital, and also the conglomerate Digital Currency Group, which is also the parent company of CoinDesk. Apparently, this whole, they've allegedly defrauding more than 230,000 investors, including 29,000 New Yorkers, of more than $1 billion. So what this lawsuit is all about is it alleged that Gemini knew about Genesis loans were undersecured and at one point highly concentrated with one entity of that's FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried trading firm Alameda, but they did not reveal this to investors. So I think with all the stringent regulations regarding trading with US exchanges, I think these guys got the short end of the stick. So watch out for this. I think there's also the Attorney General wants to kind of tell these crypto companies they've been naughty in the past and they must pay for their sins. So something to watch out for. So I will keep you guys posted on what's happening with this, because each of these cases sets a precedent for the next case. And so the sentiment around crypto is built. And most of the US politicians and regulators and rule makers in the US use these cases to say crypto is bad, it needs to be regulated into the ground or totally banned. So that's what's happening every time. It's not good, these things. And sometimes these people in politics, they just want to make a statement. And the whole intention is not so clear. It's not clear, but also not well intentioned. So let's watch out for this one. Then money making strategy number 2. What I want to suggest you guys is look at Binance Earn. Binance Earn is the earning capacity of Binance. So there you can have that's staking, all about staking products. There's a lot of staking products on Binance. That's where you put your cryptos in a staking platform and it's locked up for 15, 30, 60, 90 days, and you get interest on those products. So very good, solid platform, high liquidity. They walking the straight and narrow, I believe. But if you look at all the court cases against them, you would not say so. But I'm still positive about Binance. So yeah, check out those products. Then, if you've been looking at my videos and you say, because I'm totally clueless of what you're saying, I'm just hearing weird noises, then stress no further, because my RIH CryptoWealth membership is live. And that's where I'm going to, on a continuous basis, grow our crypto community by providing timeless and relevant crypto educations to our members. Because a while ago, a few years ago, if you just did a quick online course, that would have been sufficient. You would have been in the know of cryptos. But now things are moving so fast, you need continuous education to keep up to date. And hence, I've got this monthly subscription of a membership model, which I want to provide to you so that you can learn every week. You know, it's consistent action trumps perfect action. Normally, we believe just one perfect action, like doing an online course, will be sufficient to be in the know about crypto, but it's not that. You need incremental training, a compounding effect of knowledge that you build, and that will provide a long-term sustainable success. So with this membership, I'm going to provide weekly training on a topic, something that I want to learn about, and you will learn about. So live webinars with influencers, people that's already in the know, that's already active in cryptos, influential people in the financial planning sector, people in the that's already crypto influencers and educators. We're going to chat with them and see if they can share some secrets with us. So I've already got a few people that's gone through the course, the information. Frank and Rich and Leshmuk, they all like what they see, and I'm thanking for the feedback, and I'm thank you for loyal customers and loyal crypto enthusiasts that support me in this whole venture. So what we receive with this membership, you're going to receive video recordings of the weekly sessions. It's in your membership area. You get a dedicated membership area for that. I'll put in the membership area the live webinars that I'm going to have with influencers and expert people. Also, I'm going to give you discounts of future in-person events. Yes, we need to see one another, we need to look one another in the eye and greet one another. Then I'm also going to give you access. Members will have the opportunity to ask my guests questions. So yeah, looking forward to that. So that's all that you get, and future programs and online courses will be added to your membership area as to say thank you for being a member. So all you have to do is go to wiekersengelbreg.com, just sign up. It's very easy, and once you're successful with the sign up, you'll be taken to the membership area where you can get immediate access to the live webinars of the past, as well as the weekly trainings. So head on over there. I'm looking forward to meet you there. It's going to be very, very exciting. So that's all from me from today. So remember to like and subscribe to the channel, share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Comment below what do you like, what you don't like, what you want to hear more of. Then share it and hit the notification bell. And thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day and blessed weekend. See you soon. Cheers.